was just best vendor, top to bottom, no questions asked.
Mm-hmm.
Best decision we made, other than getting married.
Yeah, other than getting married. I thought you did like a fantastic job at kind of like coaching us and reminding us like why we're there and just making it really easy.
Working with Ryan was awesome on the day of the wedding. He made myself and everybody else feel incredibly comfortable. Ryan was always amazing, super quick to respond and ease my mind of all my worries, and I know I had a lot of questions along the way. A few of my favorite photos for sure, obviously the ones of me on the stairs, because I look like I'm in Vogue. I don't normally look like that. Also, you know, there were a few points in the day when I was getting very cranky, and Ryan was great at noticing right away. I didn't have to say anything and just kind of speeding things up to get me through it. And also how quick we got our pictures. I mean, we were on our honeymoon and we got our sneak peek right away, and then I think it was like a month later and we got all of our stuff, which was incredible. All the family shots, we've had some family pass away since then, so it's really nice to have them in photographs, and they just look so happy that day, and so that means a lot to the entire family, not just us, so it's really special. The album's like beyond even my expectations. Like I knew it would be beautiful, but
It's like an amazing production value. Like
Yeah.
everything about it
Yeah.
from start to finish is fantastic.
it looks like a magazine. It's so beautiful, and
Yeah.
it tells a story from beginning to end. Like it really brings you back to that day and kind of waking up and to the very end.
Yeah, it's definitely something to show off and not just like it's
Put
not
it
gonna
over
collect
again.
dust over the years.
Yeah.
Like I think it's something that we can kind of like keep out and like show it off with pride. Yeah, I think it's great.
Look at how pretty our wedding was.
Yeah.
It was honestly amazing. Everything